Hey guys, welcome back. Today, qualities that women desire in men when seeking long-term relationship. I'm not saying that every single woman seek these qualities. I'm just saying these are just like the basics of what more average women seek when they're looking for a long-term relationship. Number one, healthy. You would agree with me that even men too seek for healthy individuals to settle down with or to date, because if it's a long-term relationship, they would want to date someone that is healthy, because you want to live long with your partner. You want to live long with someone that cares about his health or her health, someone that takes care of himself, someone that takes good health to be good business. You always try to make sure you're feeling fine. You try to make sure that you go for checkups once in a while. You always try to make sure that you're not doing things that are detriment to your health. You always try to make sure that you maybe exercise once in a while to keep fit. Almost every individual, although some people don't really care, but a lot of women want to date in a long-term relationship a man who is healthy enough. Number two is a man who is proactive. Most women don't want a dull man, someone that will just be sitting around and they are waiting for the woman to tell them what to do. They don't want a man that will sit around in the house from morning till night. There are some decisions that you can help her make. The both of you are supposed to join heads together to make things work in your marriage. Most women don't want men that are just like sit-at-home dad. They are the ones that run the errands in the house, and then the woman will go to work and come back, and then you're wearing an apron written on it wifey, and then you're saying, "Hey babes, welcome. What would you want to have for lunch?" Number three, attentive. Women actually love it when they are gisting with you, when they are talking with you or discussing with you, and you're being so attentive, and then you drop your phone and listen. There are not a lot of men that have this quality, except that person really love you. A listening partner is actually a beautiful one. That person cares for you because he listens to you. By listening to you, he gets to understand you. By listening to you, he gets to give you his own solution to maybe the problem you're bringing. By listening to you, he shows you that he cares for you. He pays attention to you. Number four, game. To be honest, when I was going through this topic, when I was bringing out these points, I don't think I remember exactly what this game is all about. I'm trying to remember. I'm so ashamed of myself. Now I remember. You know how to play your cards well. Not that you be a game player or a playboy. Someone that has charisma, someone that has self-confidence, someone that when he enters a room, everybody notices that someone is here. Someone that not just women turn their heads, but men want to be him. Your charm, your charisma, your sense of humor, your confidence. Now, what about Pete Davidson that dated beautiful celebrities? Number five is masculine. A lot of men these days do a lot of feminine stuff that we don't even know how to differentiate the man from the woman. I don't have issue with you braiding your hair. That's nice. There are some hairstyles you make that look like a woman's hairstyle. No problem. But I'm talking about painting your nails. Some of them wear feminine outfits, but I don't have issue with that. I'm just saying that a lot of women who want to have a long-term relationship with a man would want a masculine man. Now when you start doing all these feminine stuff, a lot, pierce nose, you pierce your ear, your fingers, the kind of clothes you wear, the way you walk, the way you talk, it kind of removes your masculine energy. Now we're actually struggling for this feminine shit because what is the difference? You just have something in between your legs that is different from me. I don't have issue with it. Some persons might have issue with it. I'm just saying it's an important point. Some women wouldn't want it if they want to do a long-term relationship with you. I know that a lot of people will tell me, yes, no matter what, if you have money, everything down, gone, gone. Yeah, for some women, but not all. Everything is not about money. If everything is all about money, then Elon Musk will not be divorced today. The wife will not want to divorce him. He says it's money, but the wife of the rich keeps divorcing them. Now, did money solve the issue? Don't let lose of your masculine energy. Don't lose it. Number 6, women like entertaining men. You don't need to be a comedian. You don't need to be an actor. You need to be interesting and entertaining to talk with. She wants to gist and chat with you, and you're jovial, you're entertaining. Women like it when they are gisting with you or they are chatting with you and it's something they enjoy. They don't feel bored, or you are not boring when they are talking to you. So that's all. These are the 6 points or the 6 things that a woman look out for in a man that she wants to start a long-term relationship with, and maybe will probably end up in marriage. If you have other points, leave them down there below in the comment section. If you agree with any of this, leave it down there below in the comment section. The thing is, whatever I say, you don't have to take it 100%. It does not 100% ascribe to everybody. Even when I say men, I mean higher percentage. I'm not saying that all men. Video ends here. Bye bye.